Hi friends, Vanakkam and welcome to ALV Creations. This is basically a Tamil channel, but today's video will be in English. Last year I have posted video for headphone cushion cover. It has got good response and most useful for many viewers. Some of my viewers and well-wishers suggested me to post this video in English so that many non-Tamil speaking viewers can also make use of it. So again I am trying to do the same DIY in the most easiest way. Previous DIY was making covers in circle shape, but this video will be making covers in oval shape. This is a new headphone having oval shaped ear pads. Let's see how to make cover for this. Take a thin cardboard piece. I am using an invitation cover. We can use chart or notebook outer cover as well. Draft the shape of your headphone ear pad. As this is the oval shaped headphone, let's measure the diameter in widthwise and lengthwise. Measure from where the cushion starts. So, first I am measuring the blue cushion in widthwise. It is exactly inside 4.5. So, its width is 4.5. Like this, let's measure in lengthwise. Length and diameter is exactly 5 inches. I am marking the 5 inches in lengthwise. So, on top and bottom, half inch more than the shape. Like that, and widthwise it is 4.5. So, in both the sides, half inch more than the shape. So, now the shape is increased by half inch around the circle. Let's join the points to make the shape. Mark the midpoint and lengthwise and fold it. Let's trim it in the outer circle. I am taking a cotton fabric. Cotton fabric is the best choice for this DIY. As this is very thin fabric, it does not affect the sound quality and it absorbs sweats very well. So I am cutting 2 pieces in this. Cut the pieces by leaving half inch around the shape for seam allowance. Let's take another piece in the same size. Keep the cardboard in the center and fold the excess fabric around the shape like this and iron it. This step is very important to make the ear pad very quickly and neatly. Make them as a flat pieces as shown here. Take a thin elastic. This one is the mask elastic having width of around 1/4 inches. Measure it around the shape and take half inch more than this. Leaving 1/4 inches around the shape, I stitched it in my sewing machine, leaving little gap for inserting the elastic. Leave this gap in lengthwise so that the knot get hidden here. After this, trim the excess fabric around the stitching carefully. By using very small safety pin, I am inserting the elastic. Just for checking the size, I am joining both the ends using the pin. Adjust the elastic evenly. Let's put the cover on the ear pads. The size and the fitting is perfect. Now I'll remove the pin, leaving 1 inch on both the ends. Knot it twice. Final output is very neat. Buttons are easily accessible and it is not hidden by the cover. In case your headphone is having circular ear pads, you have to measure like this. Measure the circle diameter like this. Measuring from where the cushion starts, it ends at 4 inches. Already I have made the circular cardboard ready, having 4 inches diameter. and I have cut the fabric pieces also having half inch more than that around the circle. For square shaped headphone also we can use circular covers. These are the handmade circular cover. This stretchable cover made from the t-shirt. I have added this DIY link in the description box. I am using this cover for the past 1.5 years. If needed, we can wash it and use them again. Because of this outer cover, my earpad cushions are still in good condition, though the wires are spoiled badly. I bought a new headphone recently. This one also has the oval shaped earpads. For this model earpads, we have to measure the circumference like this. Widthwise diameter is 3 inches. And lengthwise diameter is 3.5 inches. Just follow the other steps as before. In this model, we have to measure the elastic length by measuring like this. It is 4.5 and we can add 2 more inches. Now the covers are ready. In the description box, I have added all my videos related to headphone cushion cover. I think now we may got the idea of making headphone cushion cover for any model headphone and cushions. I hope that this video will be very useful for you all. Thanks for your love and support. See you all in my next video. Have a great day.